Dear students, now let us talk about repeated games. In last video, I had a talk on prisoner's dilemma, where two players played with one shot game. They had an equilibrium with one-time play, but in reality, this one-time play or one-time game is not there. So there is the chance of more than one time game. So this is called repeated games. In this repeated game, the situation is different. What is that? Now in these repeated games, there is the new strategic possibilities are existing. What is that? Let us say in this repeated games, player 1 defects in round 1, then player 2 will also defect in round 2. If player 1 cooperate in round 1, then player 2 will also cooperate in round 2. So this cooperation, or this is called cooperation game. This cooperation happens in two kinds of games. One is called fixed number of game or finite games, and another one is infinite games. So this cooperation or the chance of cooperation may not happen in finite games. Why? Because this chance of cooperation depends on future play, and this future play doesn't exist after the final round of game. What is it? Let us say our final round of game is third round. So what about fourth round? In fourth round, there is no chance to choose any strategy for any players. So that fourth round is useless if third round is the final. So this future play doesn't exist, and chance of cooperation depends upon future play. In case of finite number of games. So this chance of cooperation only exists in infinite games or repeated games, and in this case there is a way of influencing opponent's strategy or opponent's behavior. For example, there are two farms. Farm 1 cooperate this time. If farm 1 cooperate this time, then farm 2 will cooperate next time. Similarly, if farm will not cooperate this time, farm 2 will not cooperate in next time. So this is called tit for tat strategy in repeated game. Okay, so the tit for tat strategy has two components. It is this tit for tat strategy does very well because it offers two things. First is immediate punishment for defection. Second is forgiving strategy. So immediate punishment for defection means the second farm will cooperate to first farm in second round, provided first farm cooperates in first round. In other words, if farm 1 will cooperate in first round, thereafter means in second round, third round, fourth round, like that, farm 2 will cooperate. So this is called in case of cooperation. If farm 2 will cooperate, if farm 1 will cooperate in first round, farm 2 will cooperate in second round and thereafter also. If farm 1 doesn't cooperate in first round, then farm 2 will also not cooperate. So this is punishment for immediate punishment for defection. What about forgiving strategy? Forgiving strategy means it punishes the first player only once for each defection. Again I am saying, forgiving strategy means the second player will punish to the first player only once for each defection. Means, in simple word, in first round, if first farm defects, sorry, if farm 1 doesn't cooperate in first round, farm 2 will not cooperate in second round. However, if farm 1 will cooperate in third round, then farm 2 will cooperate in fourth round. So like this. So in fifth round, sixth round, farm 2 will cooperate. Means farm 2 will punish the farm 1 at one time. Thereafter, they will cooperate each other. So these two, that is immediate punishment for defection and forgiving strategy, are with this tit for tat strategy, which is the very important strategy in repeated games theory. So this is all about repeated game theory. Thank you.